I broke the doorknob and no one knows yet. It's me, sorry. I'm waiting for my hair goes out. Amanda! This is my stepping. Here is the other oven mitt. It's a poopy. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm pretty sure no one will notice. Not a lot of people are going to the bathroom anytime soon. I'll make a video about this later. As you see, I can't just see it, but I can do it on this side. Well, that's enough for this video. I gotta hide. This is my hiding spot. Let's see, I don't know about this spot. Okay, I'm in my hole. I'm in my hole. Did you hear that? Someone's in my house. Well, I was kidding. No one's in my house. It's just my step. And oh my dick. Well, hey, Chewy. Hey, boy. What are you doing? My doggy. I'm not sure you want to see him. Meanie, like chewing on people's stuff. Alright, that's enough for this video. So bye.